So what we want to look at today, okay, so we've been cutting. We've been cutting from Rokudan Giri. We're understanding why our movement is the way it is, okay? How this movement is not a pushing, stopping, stepping movement. Whether we practice it opening backwards, we practice it placing the foot, then opening, or we practice it in one movement coming in, okay? It's not a pushing, stopping, falling movement. It's not a normal movement. So when we do this, this is our entry to our jujutsu, our Aiki-jujutsu, our empty hand techniques. If I'm tense, I run into him. If I start twisting and levering too soon, we have a grappling match, not what we're interested in. My hand is going to stay where it is. I'm going to open exactly like I'd enter with the cut. Then, as I pivot on the ball of the foot, my arm radius under Oma, continuing the rotation, okay? Placing, rotating, continue. The initial movement by placing the foot is a displacement movement. Okay? The rotation of my core rotates my arm, which is connected to him, rotates him. I continue the rotation by pivoting on the heel of my back foot, and as I continue, this continues to rotate. Just like the sword rotates in Rokudan Giri as we move, so that we're accomplishing more than one thing at a time. Break it into 3 pieces. 1. Now pivoting on the ball. 2. Continue the rotation on the heel. 3. The energy should come up all the way through his head. You're sending the energy out through his head like you would out through the tip of the sword. You don't actually engage with him here. We're not throwing in a lot of the sense of the term throwing. Okay? And your Rokudan Giri, the entry in the movements, is practice for your jujutsu.